Yesterday I was at Dollar Tree, my favorite place, and I noticed they had hair toners. They're by the B.Pure line. They have a purple one that comes in a pouch and a blue one that comes in a tube. They also had new hair care. This is the hair serum. We're gonna try these together for the first time and see if they work. I'm only going to tone a little strip of it, the very top, because the rest of this has tape ins. On the right, we'll do the purple one. The directions say that this can be used on blonde, silver, or light to medium toned brunette hair with lighten hues, balayage, highlights, lowlights, ombre, and more. So just like any other toning mask, this is geared more for blonder shades of hair. Anytime you see a purple toner or toning mask like this, that's gonna cancel out the yellow. Violet and yellow are across from each other on the color wheel, so when they collide or meet together, they neutralize each other out. This is a mask, so it obviously doesn't need a developer. Like some toners, they will need a developer. Okay, wow. It is a very light purple. I was assuming it was going to be dark purple, like a shimmer light shampoo, and it does go on damp hair. I'm just gonna scoop it with my hands. Whoop. It says it sits on the hair for 5 to 10 minutes. It does have a lot of fragrance in it, kind of like my grandmother's bathroom. She sprays it with this powder floral spray. It's not good. This is the blue toning mask. So that's going to be for orange shades of hair. My hair is a mix between yellow and orange, so it should target more of the orange tints. And you could absolutely mix these together or any toning mask together, violet and blue, to get a blue violet. When I tone my hair, I usually use an actual color though that has developer, and I use a blue violet to target both the yellow and the orange. So blue is here on the color wheel, and across from blue is orange. So when they meet in the middle, it neutralizes it out. Now, if your hair is super orange, I would recommend a toner that uses developer. This one's also very light, looks like Colgate toothpaste. Those are stronger, and these masks, I mean, I don't know about this one, but mask in general, toning mask, really only work for super, super bright hair. If you've got a lot of orange tones in your hair, to get rid of that, you're gonna have to tone it with a darker color or lighten it again to break up some of that orange base. It's a process. Also has the same smell, but I do like the consistency of this, how it's easy to spread. It's almost jelly-like. I'm gonna let this set for the full 10 minutes. I'm just gonna rinse it out. Since this doesn't have a developer, you don't have to shampoo and condition it out. You can just rinse it out. That way you can get the full effect. This is the blue toner, and this is the violet toner. The parts that were level 10, super blonde, the highlights, it toned out that yellow a little bit, but it's not anything super drastic. My hair feels really nice though, but I don't think it did much change. What do you think? I did apply the serum before I blow dried it. I don't really care for how you dispense the serum. You have to put your hand on it. It's more of a cream base. It didn't reduce the drying time that I noticed, but it does seem to reduce the frizz after it's already dry for dry styling. So I actually do like this. For the toner, as long as you're not applying it expecting a huge change, I think it's fine. Me personally, I wouldn't repurchase it again. It didn't tone it enough to make it worth even the $1.25. For about $10 all in, you can get color from Sally's and the developer to go with it, and it'll give you a more dramatic result.